Next, we are going to discuss operation management and strategy in the part differentiation strategy. So, differentiation is very important in each product. So, differentiation strategy is referred to the long-term priorities or goal achieved. Companies have different potential in terms of maneuverability along with target market place, channels, and promotion rates. So these are affected by the company's position in the market and the industry structure, the BCG growth. It means Boston Consulting Group. Growth share market display the various business units on a graph of the market growth rate with market share relative to competitors. So elaborately, we will discuss about BCG matrix. So what in BCG? Boston Consulting Group. So Boston Consulting Group matrix is developed by Bruce Anderson of the Boston Consulting Group in the early 1970s. According to this technique, businesses or products are classified as low or high performance. What about your market share? Which level you are sustained in the market? Everything it will be easy to know with the use of BCG matrix. So, according to this technique, business or products are classified as low or high performance depending upon their market growth rate and relative market share. So, what do you mean by market share? Out of total purchase of a customer of your product or service, what percentage goes to your company defined its market share? For example, if consumer as a whole buy 100 soaps and 40 of which are from one company, that company holds 40% of market share. So it means what percentage the customers will buy your product. That is a market share out of 100 or out of 1000, whatever it is. So relative market share and market growth. To understand the Boston matrix, you need to understand how market share and market growth interrelate. So market share is the percentage of the total market that is being serviced by your company, measured either in revenue terms or unit volume terms. So relative market share, business, what is the formula of business unit sales this year by leading rival sales this year. So the higher your market share, the higher proportion of your market you control. So what is the formula for market share? Your business revenue divided by total industry revenue into 100. So this is the formula for market share. Next, market growth. Market growth is used as a measure of your market attractiveness. Market growth rate formula is individual sales minus individual sales. I mean individual sales this year minus individual sales last year by divided by individual sales last year. Market aspiring high growth or ones where the total market share available is expanding and there is plenty of opportunity for everyone to make money. So the BCG matrix portfolio is nothing but structure. So there are four types of that portfolio they have to fix in the BCG, which is based on the observation that a company's business units can be classified into four categories. Number one, star. Second, question mark. Third, cash cow. Fourth, down. So depends upon your level. I mean, depends upon this star, question mark, and cash cow and down. Do you want to improve or not in the business? So they want to decide by the BCG matrix. So it's based on the combination of market growth and market share related to the best competitor. So this is the diagram: high, low. The high belongs to that it's a market growth rate high, star, and question mark. It will be low, and dogs and cash cow. So this is the diagram we will see one by one. So what is the question mark? You are in that low market share and high market growth. Don't know what to do which or with opportunities decide whether to increase investment. So this is the question mark stage. That's only we are saying it's a question mark. Then stars, high market share and high market growth. So everyone, the customers know you about your brand, know your product. So high market share and high market growth. Doing well, great opportunities. Cash cow, high market share and low market growth. Doing well in no growth market with limited opportunities. That is a cash market, high market share and low market growth. Then dog, low market share and low market growth, weak in market and difficult to make profit. So you are in the last stage is a dog. So weak in market and difficult to make profit. So this is the diagram. It's clearly explained. Introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. So introduction stage is the question mark stage, and also star. It's the growth stage. Introduction, growth, maturity is a curve, and dog is the final decline. So we will see one by one. Star, it's a high growth and high market share. I already said stars are leaders in business. So stars is the top number one. They also require heavy investment to maintain its large market share. It leads to large amount of cash consumption is about usage and cash generation. Attempt should be made to hold the market share. Otherwise, the star will become a cash cow. Cash cow, low growth, high market share. So they are foundation of the company and often the source of yesterday. Yesterday they are stars but become now cash cow. So they generate more cash than required. They start to profit by investing as little cash as possible. They are located in an industry that is mature, not growing or declining. Dog, it's a low growth or low market share. Dogs are the cash trap. We are in the final stage. So dogs do not have potential to bring in much cash. Number of dogs in the company should be minimized. Business is situated at a declining stage. Question mark, high growth and low market share. Most businesses start off as question mark. They will observe great amount of cash. The market share remain unchanged low. Why question mark? Question marks have potential to become star and eventually cash cow, but can also become a dog. Investment should be high for question marks. So why BCG matrix? To assess profile of products and business, the cash demand of product, development cycles of product, resource allocation and divestment decision. So we will see one practical example. So it will be easy to everyone can understand about the BCG matrix. So BCG matrix for the product line, everyone know about the product line. So each brand they are having a number of products. So in that number of products belong to the particular brand. What about your level? So that's only we are using the BCG matrix in practical. Now we can take the Coca-Cola. So the product line will be in the question mark stage, high growth and low market share, Fanta and Sprite. Next, Star, high growth and high market share, Thumbs Up, Mazda and Kinley. So these are all the stars of that growth and high market share. Then Cash Cow, the same Coca-Cola in the product line, low growth and high market share, Limca and Coca-Cola. Then Dog, this is the final stage. You can see the Diet Coke, then Pulpy Mango, that is a Minute Maid Pulpy Mango, and also Kinley soda. So it's in that dog stage. So in that dog stage means you want to update something, or you can moderate the product. So that's only very important. So in that BCG matrix, now you can easily understand which level your product, which level you are in brand, what about your market share, everything you can easily understand. So that's only we are using the BCG matrix. So we will see more industry best practices also. That's benchmarking. Benchmarking is nothing but standards. So compared to that one organization, other organization, everyone they are marked as a benchmark. So next class we are going to discuss, next session we are going to discuss about industry best practices. Thank you all.